If you are a roofing contractor in 2026 and your business is invisible on Google right now, and that's the costing you 15 to 30 qualified leads every single month. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you the exactly what local SEO is and why it matters more than ever. And the exact step to get your roofing company ranking in the map pack. So homeowner call you first. Here's what you will walk away with today: a complete understanding of local SEO and a clear roadmap to get more inbound calls without spending a dollars on ads. Last month, we helped a roofing company in Texas grow from zero map pack visibility to 35 phone calls in 28 days just by fixing their local SEO. No magic, just the right strategy. And if a roofing contractor in competitive market can do this, so you can. My name is Redwan Kausar, and I run MentorsBoss.com, a digital marketing agency that is specialized in local SEO, YouTube SEO, and lead generation. I help roofing contractor to get more leads from Google and YouTube without wasting money on random experiment or shady agency that overpromise and underdeliver. Let's start with basic. So what is local SEO? Local SEO is a process of optimizing your online presence so that when someone in your area searches for roofing near me or a roof repair in your desired city, your business shows up in the Google map pack, that box with a map and three business listing at the top of the search result. And why does this matter? So because 76% of people who search for something nearby visit a business within a 24 hours, and 28% of those searches result in a purchase or a book a service. If you are not in the map pack, you are losing jobs to competitor who are. And local SEO is not the same as a regular SEO. Regular SEO is about ranking blog post or product page nationally, but local SEO is hyper focused on your service area and your city or your neighborhood. It's about Google My Business profile, or you can say GBP or Google My Business page, and local citations, reviews, and local specific content. Step two: claim and fully optimize your Google business profile. This is the single most important ranking factor for local SEO in 2026. Go to the google.com/business and claim your business profile if you haven't already. Then fill out every single sections like your business name. Use your real business name. Don't stuff keyword here. Otherwise, Google will penalize you. And choose the right category. Pick the most specific primary category for roofing. If you are in a roofing niche, that's usually a roofing contractor, or add two or three secondary category like roof repair service or gutter cleaning service like this. And service area, list every city and zip code you serve, be specific. And also you have to choose the business hours. Keep this accurate and update them for holidays. And add your phone number and website. Use a local phone number if possible, and make sure your website is mobile friendly. And finally, business descriptions. That is very important. Write 150 to 200 words. Mention your service, your city, and what makes you different. Use natural language. Write for human, not robots. Then add at least 10 high quality photos. Your team, you, and if you have a trucks or your business logo, then add. And also add some before and after shots of roof jobs, your service area, and Google favorite profile with fresh relevant image. So this is very important. So if you add your website, then anybody can click to see your website, and they can contact with you basically. Now, step number three: build a local citation. A citation is any online mention of your business name, address, and your phone number, your NAP, which is name, address, and phone number. And Google cross-reference your NAP access the web to verify your legitimate local business. If your info is inconsistent and different phone number and misspell street names, Google loses trust and won't rank you. So start with a big directory like Yelp, Yellow Page, Bing Place, Apple Maps, and Agni, and Home Advisor and BBB. Then add roofing specific directory like owns cornering, roofing contractor, locator, and if certified contractor and directory, and local chamber of e-commerce and other directory site. Use the exact same business name, address, and phone number format everywhere. If your GBP says, let's say, as you can see, 123 Main Street, Suite 4B, Springfield, in 62701. Then use this consistent address in everywhere. And this is the pro tip. Use a tool like Bright Local or White Spark to audit your citations and find out the duplicate and error, or hire someone, and also hire me so can I can audit you entire citations and find out the all error for you. It's very important for consistent and accurate address or map consistency everywhere for trusting your business. In step number 4, create a location specific service page on your website. If you serve five city, you need five separate page, one for each city. Each page should target a keyword like roofing repair in your specific city, or roofing contractor in a specific city. Your company name, and you can mention a introduction like you can mention the city, the service, and the benefit. Example, need roof repair in Austin, or ABC Roofing has served Austin's homeowner for 15 years with fast, affordable, and guaranteed roof repair. So you can write this type of introductions. And service detail, what you do, write what materials you use and how long it takes. So this is very important, and why they choose you, or why choose us. This is very important. 3 to 5 bullet point is very mandatory for each page. And service area map, you have to embed a Google map centered on the city. So this is very important. Also, NAP block section, you have to consistent your business name, address, phone number at the bottom. So this is very important for NAP consistency. And call to action, this is very important. Like you can add call us today, or for free estimate price. This type of call to action you can add. So Google loves these pages because they prove you actually serve that area. And when someone searches roofer in the specific city, like roofer in Austin, you have a page that match exactly what they are looking for. So do not duplicate content, rewrite each page, change the city name, add unique details about each area, which is really important, and mention local landmarks if that relevant. So now step number 5, get more Google reviews and respond to every single one. Reviews are massive ranking factor. The business with 50 plus reviews rank higher than business with 10 reviews, all else being equal. But it's not just a quantity, it's a recursive rating and response rate. Here is how to get reviews without being pushy. After every completed job, send a follow-up text or email thanking the customer and asking for a review. Make it easy. Include a direct link to your Google review page. You can get this from GPP dashboard. So if you need this type of automation software, or this type of automations review generating software, you can feel free to contact with us. We can provide you completely free if you are subscribing our local SEO services, right? So this is completely free for lifetime. So, and also make it easy, included a direct link to your Google review page. You can get this from GPP dashboard also. Use the simple script hi name. Thanks for trusting us with your roof. If you are happy with our work, would you mind leave us a quick Google review? Here is the link. So it takes 60 seconds and helps us strong. Thanks. Offer a small incentive for leaving a review, not for a positive review. Example, leave us a review and we will enter you in our monthly drawing for a $50 gift card. Now here is the other part of most contractor missed. Respond to every review, good or bad or natural, within a 24 to 48 hours. For positive review, says thank you so much, name. We thrill we could help with you in roof repair in your city. And if you ever need everything else, we just a call away. And for negative reviews, stay claim and professional hi name. And we are sorry to hear about your experience. We love to make this right, and please call us. This is our phone number, so we can resolve this. Thanks for your feedback. And Google see response rate as a signal that you care about your customer, and your future customer read your response to judge you how handle the problems. So now step number 6, build a local backlink. A backlink is when another website links to yours Google take backlink as a vote of trust, especially links from other local businesses and organizations. Here is the easy way to get local backlinks: sponsor or local event. You can participate little league or charity run and community festival. You will get a link from the event page, which is one kind of a sponsor or a local event link. Join your local chambers of commerce or business associations. Most of member or directories with a link to your site, and partner with supplier if you use a specific manufacturer like GAF or certain date. Apply to the certified contractor. Many have a locator page that link back to you. Get feature in local news or blog. Send a press release when you do something newsworthy or biggest root project, 10th anniversary or community give back. Guest post on local blog, home improvement blogs, real estate blog in your area. Don't buy backlink from scratchy Fiverr gig, and Google can detect low quality links and penalize you. So focus on quality over quantity. This is very important. If you need any type of backlink support and any kind of good quality backlink, you can feel free to reach out to me so that I can help you to build some high quality link in your specific niche. Hey, some quick request before we move on. If you are getting value from this video, do me a favor and hit the subscribe button below. I share local SEO and YouTube SEO and lead generation strategies here every single day. Also, I run a free business community where I drop even more tips, answer questions, and share what's working right now in 2026. The link in the description. Join us here. All right, let's keep going. Now, if you are serious about your Google My Business page or your local business, you can feel free to follow my strategy. I created ebook that help you to fix your Google My Business profile in 30 minutes. So this is completely free. You don't need to worry about anything. Just go to the mentorboss.com, or you can check my video description box. Enter your email address and I'll send it to you instantly. No fluff, just checklist or step-by-step optimization guideline. Link is also in the description, so don't forget to grab it. All right, let's talk about 3 advanced tips that most roofing contractors and even most agency ignore, but they can cut your ranking time in half. So pro tips number 1, use geo grid posting for multi locations business. This is very important. If you serve multiple cities, create a separate post in your Google My Business profile for each city. Example, roof repair special in Austin this month, with a photo of a job you did in Austin. And Google see the location data in the post and your image, and it strengthens your relevance in a specific area. And you can do this weekly. If you can do this, you can see significant improvement in your local ranking. Also, pro tips number 2, add schema markup to your website. Schema is a code you add your website that tell Google exactly what your business is. Use local business schema and service schema. You can generate it free at schema.org, or use the plugin like Rank Math or Yoast if you are on WordPress. This is very helpful plugin, and this helps Google understand your NAP, your service area, your hours, and you show up in more local searches, right? And pro tip number 3, track near me keywords separately. Most contractors track roofing roofer city but ignore roofing roofer near me, or emergency roof repair near me. These are huge search terms, especially on mobile. Use Google Search Console to see near me queries you are ranking for, then create a content or GV post around this exact phrase. Now look, I just give you the complete roadmap. If you are a local business owner, or if you are a if you have a local business with time and some tech skill, you can absolutely do this yourself. But here is the reality: local SEO takes time and it takes consistency. And if you mess up one part, like your citations or your Google My Business page optimization or your schema, it can actually hurt your ranking and instead of helping them. So that's why we built mentorboss.com. We do all of this for local business owner and local service business. Full Google My Business optimization service available in our website, and also we provide some advanced link building strategies and other review generation system. We help to manage your social media and local SEO content creations and monthly reporting, so you can see exactly where your leads are coming from. If you don't have time to do this yourself, my team can just do it for you. We helped zero online visibility to 20 to 30, even 50 plus inbound calls a month. So this is huge. If that sounds like what you need, check the first link in the descriptions or go to the mentorsboss.com and apply to work with us. We will hop on a quick call, audit your current setup for free, and show you exactly what we do to get you ranking. All right, here is the bottom line. Local SEO in 2026 is the fastest and most cost-effective way to roofing contractor or local businesses to get more inbound leads without paying for ads. So you now know the exact step: claim your GBP, build your citations, get review, create local page, build backlink, and optimize like a pro. So your next step, go and grab that free our local business optimizations ebook at mentorboss.com. It will walk you through everything we covered today, step by step. And if you want my team just handle it all for you, apply at the same link. Before you go, drop a comment below and tell me what city are you serving and what's your biggest local SEO challenge right now. I read every comment and I'll reply with one specific tips for your current situations, which is completely free. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.